countywide, a significant winter storm bringing 10-20+ inches of snow will create very dangerous avalanche conditions today, March 23rd, 2024. Sunday, March 2024. Steep slopes, including the Woodford to Huntington Ravine, Gulf of Slides, Great Gulf, and Avalanche are areas where dangerous and destructive avalanche. North winds 15 to 3 nautical miles. Significant damage to trees or buildings and will likely run far down in paths or to areas that are normally considered safe zones. Avoiding all avalanche terrain is advised. Where the Presidential Range Avalanche Forecast area, including Tuckerman, Huntington Ravine, Gulf of Slides, Great Gulf, Avalanche Ravine and steep, open terrain in the mountains that are bounded by US RT2, US RT302, and New Hampshire RT16. This includes hiking trails that traverse across steep terrain like the Lionhead Trail. Similar avalanche danger may exist at locations outside the coverage area where steep, open terrain exists that has collected wind-drifted snow. When, in effect from Saturday 07:00 Eastern Daylight Time to Sunday 07:00 Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts, heavy snow and wind will create widespread unstable snow conditions. Very large snowdrifts that could avalanche spontaneously or easily from the weight of a person will exist throughout steep terrain including hiking trail. Avoiding all avalanche terrain is advised. Very large destructive avalanches may run long.
They hit timeout.